Hey everyone, you're welcome once more to NAPH. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students out there struggling with this or a maths. Alright. So today we have a simple problem, word problem on the board. It reads, find the number of workers, okay, that can work at the same rate in 18 hours if 36 workers can complete what? The work in what? 24 hours. Okay. Now we solve problems like this, and when you have a problem that has to do with quantity, which is the workers, and either hours or time, okay, or even days, then it has to do with what? An inverse proportion. All right. So the first thing I want to check is this. In this last statement, we're given what 36 what workers, okay, can do the work for what 24 hours, okay, and what we are to find, okay, we are to find the number of workers. Being that we're given this time 18 what hours, okay, so just like I saw in a previous video where we used the concept of MGB, now today we are going to still use the same concept, but the concept of what? WH. So concept of WH and what H. Okay. We are going to use the concept of WHH. Alright, so let's use that. So what's the concept of WHH? I'm going to simply say workers, okay, multiply by what? Hours, okay, divide by what? What was under this? So this multiply this, okay? This is our first step, divide by what? Hours. Okay, so this is the idea with which we are going to solve this problem. Right, the idea, the essence is hours will cancel out hours, so we are left with what? Workers. And the question says we should find the number of what? Workers. So let's substitute into this and see what we're going to get. So we have 36 workers here, we have 24 hours here, and we have 18 hours down as the denominator. So let's input all that into this and let's see what that gives us. So we have 36 what? Workers multiply by what? We have 24 hours and divide by what? We have 18 what? Hours below. Alright, so let's do the simple simplification and see what that gives us. So like I said, hours is going to cancel hours. So I left with 36 what? Workers multiplied by 24 divided by what? 18. Okay. Now, if you know your simple knowledge of division, 18 can cancel itself and can cancel this. So 18 into 36 is 2 times, okay? And 18 divided 18 is 1, okay? So we are left with 2 workers times 24. So 2 times 24 is going to give us 48, and we are left with what? Workers. So the correct answer in solving this problem is actually 48 workers, and the number of workers that are required to do the same job at what 18 hours work rate. So you can see that when it was 36 workers, it was 24 hours, which is a day. But now that we have more workers, and more hands or manpower, it took less our time, which is what 18 hours. All right, so that gives us, the simple solution. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video to somebody. Remember, sharing is worth caring. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.